Take a ride in the 2021 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, fog lights, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, power sunroof, interval wipers, rear window wiper, leather upholstery. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.